Hakani ke jingelang jeng ke kabinet ke belalong mentah kesengi ke syitarik uyayong ara cara penriu ki lashim katu kat ni teli ki rai hakani jingelang lashim ya ke rai ban penhiar ya ke khajana jeng ke methane gas na ke khatsau 0.1% jeng ke value added tax la penhiar syakasan persen habakran ki lat pathai kubor hadian ke jingelang jeng ke kabinet menteri rangba ke jala ukon rat ke sangma ulong bakani ke jingpen duna ya ke VAT bat kalong ban kring ya ki kinhun baper ba kinwan ban sedang man pin mi ya kani ka methane gas ha kani ke jela ha kani ke jingelang ke kabinet kelashim ya karai ban pyntreikam ya ka Meghalaya non-government school colleges employees centralized Provident Fund schemes harajar apnriu kumlaya tepat ba bagi dan shibun ki school bat ki college ki bam day jo ki sarkar reka sarkar ka ajing rab ya ki ha ka bakam dan kanu ke kendon hendre menta ka singi ke kabinet kelapdiang ya kate ke kendon ha bagi nonghikai menta kin yo ya ke jing mento jang ka Provident Fund. Kawai pat karai kalong na kabenta kitu ki balatray selam tang bakim pat day kinong tray bapura. Hendrela pan pen mau baka sarkar kala ay kaching itu ya ki ba shipor kum kinong tray sarkar ki ba hashwa usnam arajar nyo. Hendre kala adon kaching win haba ki la syong thait na kam ka office jang accountant general kabu kaching kali la on siu ya ka bay bam temen haka kam ka ba utray menshwa ni haka kam ka ba u la sya kenteu kerdan. Man penbet ya kene ke kabinet kelashim ya kene karai ban pen itu kum kinong tray sarkar kam tam ya kitu ki basya kenteu kerdan kat kum ki kendon trikam jong ketenat sarkar ke ba uni ne ka ki tray bat kani kade ke cingerap ke bekerpang ke banlong tang sisien kenang ba itu ki ba tray shipor ndre ki ba la itu no kum kinong tray bapura ke sarkar kinyo e ketulop jong ki kum ba kalong na lor ki tay ki don ru ki wiki rai ke ba ke kabinet kelashim ya karai ke balalong mentagasngi.
We had 8 items. The first item was regarding the Meghalaya State Allied Health Council Rules 2026. We passed those particular rules today. Also, we had the proposal for the approval of the Meghalaya Science and Technology Self-Service Rules. Those were also passed. Third, the Meghalaya Integrated Economics and Statistics Service Rules 2026. That also was passed in the cabinet today. Fourth, the Meghalaya Subordinate Integrated Economics and Statistics Service Rules 2026. This also was passed in the cabinet today. Apart from these service rules and rules of the specific relevant sections, we had reduced our VAT rate on methane gas as compressed natural gas CNG from 14.5% to 5%, in line with what other states also are doing. And this is being done, of course, to create a competitive environment so that we will be able to attract different agencies to come and set up their base out here. We have decided, as I said, to reduce the VAT from 14.5% to 5% on methane gas used as compressed natural gas, CNG. The next decision that was taken was the implementation of the Meghalaya Non-Government Schools and College Employees Centralized Provident Fund Scheme 2026. As you are aware that a large number of non-government schools and colleges employees based on the act, the relevant act, certain contributions were being made, but government did not have a proper scheme to implement this particular contribution. So today we have finalized that particular scheme and cabinet has approved it. So once this scheme is approved, based on the scheme, the employees of the non-government schools and colleges, they will be getting the benefits of the Provident Fund. The next was the service conditions of regularized ad hoc employees, seniority and promotion thereof. So as you recall that we had regularized the ad hoc appointments pre-2007, and therefore after that, of course, a lot of them also had to go for, they were promoted also. So therefore there was a issue because those who were retired, their pensions were pending, because the AG had to know whether they are going to be on the post which they they were regularized in or whether the post that they got promotion in. So there was some confusion in that. So hence we have decided to regularize those aspects and those promotions, especially those promotions, or rather only those promotions which has been made as per the service rules and proper procedures at that point have been followed for these ad hoc employees. We will recognize them and give a one-time condonation for it, and accordingly the concerned employees will get their salary as per the promotion. Again, I repeat, those promotions which were processed properly and the rules were followed and the procedures were followed. So for those promotions, we will give a condonation and allow that promotion to be recognized, so that necessary pension can be given on the basis of the promoted post. The last decision that was taken was the naming and renaming of roads and building localities. These were mostly the normal roads which already had been named after certain individuals. So there were changes in the names. So we had most of them, of course, about 3 of them. I'll send the list to you. I don't have the list with me right now. But mostly we were just correcting the names. Like one road was Blessed Mother Teresa Road. So we have like changed it to Saint Teresa Road. So those kind of nomenclature changes were made. And in 1 or 2 areas, of course, we have come out with new names. I will